With Black Friday fast approaching, we have decided at High Eyes that we will give you a helping hand with the current and upcoming deals that you should not miss. Now, we all have to realize that this year's Black Friday is going to be different. However, it could be the one thing that is actually better this year because of COVID. There's going to be no queues in the supermarkets, but there's going to be crashing websites, and with the anticipation growing, companies will be forced to extend their Black Friday deals so far that they already started. So if you want to get the best deals possible, you need to start shopping now. Just a quick advertisement, everything shown in the video will have a link in the description below, so you use those links if you wanted to purchase something that you see here. Console fans will be just as excited as PC players, but with the recent release of the PS5 and the Xbox Series X, you shouldn't expect any deals on the consoles themselves. But if you are looking at software deals, almost all games will be discounted as usual, so this can be a really good hunt for Christmas presents for your loved gamers. Expect to pick up most of the older release games for half of the price, and newer releases like Call of Duty Cold War or Spider-Man Miles Morales will be a large discount as well. So let's jump into products that will worth picking up if you need an upgrade for your setup or just a quick swap for it. Should you look for a gaming mouse, you should consider the Razer Basilisk V2 FPS. It's a wired RGB mouse with 20,000 DPI focus and a removable DPI switch, 11 buttons that you can program. Looking for something cheaper? Logitech G402 Hyperion Fury. We still get 8 programmable buttons, 4,000 DPI, and the mouse is extremely lightweight for longer gaming sessions. Do you also need an upgrade for your keyboard? We got you covered. On a higher price, we have the Logitech G910 Orion Spectrum for you. If you're a streamer, you'll find the 9 programmable G keys very useful. It comes with Logitech's gaming software to change RGB lighting and customize the keyboard for your needs. Going lower, we got the very popular Razer Black Widow. For aesthetics, you'll be able to customize each individual key lighting for 5 safe profiles. And last but not least, another Logitech, the G213 Prodigy, if you're searching for a more affordable but still great quality keyboard. For some sound, we'll run through some headphones for you. Starting from up top, the Logitech G Pro X. No deal on this so far, but keep an eye on it. If it gets a few quid off during the upcoming week, this will be a very good product. You will not regret buying. Going cheaper, and again not on deal yet, but the Razer Black Shark V2X with sound isolation, approved by pros. Lightweight comfort at just 240 grams. You might forget that you're wearing it and walking out of the room with it on. It is not wireless, so try not doing that. The bottom of this list price wise will be 2 similar headphones, the Razer Kraken X, which is already in my basket, equipped with 7.1 surround sound and cardioid mic attached, and the HyperX Cloud Stinger Core, which was the same price when I started recording the video, but now that deal disappeared. This is how fragile Black Friday can be. As we know, Black Friday was started by Amazon in the UK, therefore we should expect great deals on their own products as usual, so if you're yet to put your hands on an Amazon Echo, this will be a great time to do that.
The Alexa smart speaker will be expecting on half price for the whole period.
Leave a comment if you already purchased me. If you're looking to buy me now, leave like on the video.
And if you already picked up the Echo, you might want to invest in a Gooey LED Strip. It's a great LED light which you will be able to control by voice through your Echo. It also have a very exciting feature that tracks music like so. As mentioned before, everything that we have shown in the video, it will be linked in the description below, so if you're looking to pick up something that you're interested in, feel free to use those links. It will help our channel to grow and enable us to create more videos like this for you. Have a good time shopping, and see you next time.